Hello, gentle people.
Good evening.
I know evening yet.
Good afternoon.
Yes, the sun's still high in the sky. Welcome to Jam and Tell.
Welcome everybody out there.
And Carol, me just finished the beef soup. Me go start on the curry goat now. All right. So, guys, welcome. I'm a bit under the weather, and I'm not my usual effervescent self.
Both of us.
Yes, I'm a dog dead yesterday, so I'm really quite little bit under the weather. But we're gonna talk some things today and put some things in perspective and all that stuff. So again, welcome. Thank you for joining us. And remember, when you check in, just tell me where you're not checking from. Which part of the world on there? And Carol, me know say at Denmark, Amsterdam. Remember, just when you check in, just tell me where you're there, right?
Okay, I'm in Florida.
You're not checking. You there, so next to me. Me know where you're there.
Yeah, but you look for me like you wanted me to check in, so I'm checking in with you, even though I'm next to you.
All right, Karen.
Yes.
No, you're supposed to say yes.
Yes.
Yeah. No, here, teacher.
Here, present.
All right. I'm trying to get present myself. So.
All right, my stuff here and my stuff in my ears, so you probably have to repeat things.
Yeah, how do you speak to me? I said, I got mark it 2 times, you know. I know 1 time or 2 times, I forgot to mark it.
Keep your fit.
Yes. All right, so we're gonna talk some stuff today, and we really invite you guys to comment, because these are some kind of serious stuff we're talking about today. We can't fool all the time. We're gonna fool some of the time. So again, we're gonna talk about some sort of kind of heavy topics. Not too heavy. We're going to bring levity to everything we do, but we need your comments, we need your feedback. All right? So here we go. The first topic we're going to talk about is child marriages. Yes, and I said child marriages. I mean, no, say straight away I got to talk about child can't married. But, and the question for you guys is, do you believe our culture has an impact on the growing number of child marriages and child abuse? Right? And yes, it does happen in Jamaica too. Believe it or not, child marriages happen in Jamaica. And more than 200,000 children were married in the U.S. over the last 15 years. More than 200,000 kids were married.
Shocking.
Yes. And last year, what did it say last year? 3 10-year-old girls and an 11-year-old boy were among the youngest to wed. 10-year-old, 11-year-old, and they're married people.
In America.
In America. Good old United States of America.
Not India and not the Middle East.
And here in America, the minimum age for marriage is 18 years old, but every state has an exemption, such as parental consent or pregnancy. So if your parents say, all right, go and go marry that man here, and sign off, it's legal to do that. Wait there. Back in February. All right, I have to go read this. Read that one.
Yeah, okay. So, in February 5th, 2018, Florida marriage ban is setting a minimum age at 18. So they're trying to pass a bill to make sure that only 18 and older can get married legally within the United States. So the Florida Coalition to End Child Marriage consists of 13 organizations, as well as survivors of child forced marriage, to remove the harmful amendment that basically say that you can get married with your parents' consent. So basically they passed this bill on one day, and then the next day a new bill with an exception that says if you're 16 and 17, you can get permission from your parents. So the coalition is basically holding Florida to the original bill that they passed and said, no, keep it the way it is. Do not put any exceptions in there, because 16 and 17-year-olds, if their parents say it's okay, they basically could end up in the same situation as a 10, 12, or 13-year-old child.
Getting married.
So
Getting married. I now join you, child and child.
Child and adult, old man.
we're going to, Josette, my sister-in-law, and she always speaks to me in French, even though I don't understand. Hello, Josette from France. Good morning, I'm Ignat. Miss Kim, bless up yourself. I know Jamaica you come from, and Jamaica you there. Bless up. Carol, you see, you're joining me now from Amsterdam. Thank you, my love. You want some of the gungo pea soup or red peas? I don't remember which soup I did I cook.
Last week?
Yeah.
I think Agungo.
Agungo,
Yes,
all
you're
right.
going to pick the peas then.
I'm going to pick the peas
So
then.
you know that's a lie, because you can't remember which it is. Because we know say the only soup you really pick Agungo. Red peas don't come out of the bag. You just wash it and we float on the top.
Listen,
you just take it off of the top.
When you're a country girl like me, you plant your own gungo peas, you plant your own red peas,
Mm-hmm.
and what else? Kind of and butter bean,
Where you live now?
in the countryside of Miami.
Where you have it in your garden.
Sour sop,
Mm-hmm.
star fruit, gungo peas,
Okay.
thyme,
Mm-hmm.
mango,
Pineapple.
pineapple, what again? Me no remember, some will probably look something. I mean, just get some tarragon.
And believe me, when I tell you, so she still hung her clothes outside in the backyard on the line.
Best night sleeping at the sheet there. 'Cause I can't smell the sunshine, you know. When you bring your sheet them in the house, you smell them, man. It
She
smells
can't
nice.
smell the ozone layer.
My sheet then just waving at the breeze. So I'm pretty sight, man. So Carol from Amsterdam, welcome, welcome, welcome. Ziban Chow, I'm not going to mess up your name, my brother. Thanks for giving Facebook Live. Thank you, guys. Wes Clark, present, Merritt Island, Florida. Bless up, bless up. Peter, bless up to you too. We love you too, you know, even though you're crazy. Jessica Daniel. Say, I look up to you, woman. Keep doing what you're doing, Miss Julie. I thank you, Jessica. You and I know what we're talking about. Thank you very, very, very much. Paulette, you must say where you're there, Paulette. M. Ashley. Me know where you're there, but you must tell people where you're there.
From the looks of things, Paulette, brunch now happen tomorrow. Me talk to you after the show.
Josette says, hello. Hi, Josette. Hi, Josette. See you soon. And Jessica said, no 16 or 17-year-old has the mental capacity to make that decision. Honestly, no marriage under 18, no marriage under 40, till you know yourself.
That's true. Look at I did use a mother like that.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Carol said, you're a farmer, Miss Julie. Yes, ma'am, I have my water boot and my cutlass and everything. You think I drop my make? I go and carry them come show one of them there.
Serious. No joke.
You have to
But
get
the
your hand
cutlass is
dirty.
really for the iguanas. She's afraid of iguanas.
Lizard.
An
They
odd
can't
lizard.
come near me.
She will crash her car
Yes.
on 95 to avoid an iguana.
Yes, me have a pack with them, you know. You see, when me go outside, me tell them don't come down and me nah look up. me talk to them, you know.
But the mother come down sometime.
And no, let me tell you the worst thing what happened to me. Me out a door, I sweep up my yard, and me just feel a breeze pass me ears. And me just hear plop.
On the ground.
On the ground.
He's hunting.
He can't hunt me.
But I know you him once.
Me go kill him.
But you know him where?
Me and I'm with me
You're-
don't send him up there, so.
You're in an environment. Him use and them hunt up above and them hunt on the ground.
Well, then if you try not do it when me out there.
Okay.
So we have another agreement for make. We have to go sign another pact.
So now you have got to teach them English.
No, man, I would rather and patter when we see them. No English, not even the accented English.
Oh, where is it? The Budweiser iguana that me I talk to?
Bud, why, sir?
Weiser.
Yes, Paul, you'd have Fort Lauderdale. And Miss Georgina Ross.
My mother,
Yes.
raw beans.
Yeah, I live in Fort Lauderdale, going back home.
Yeah, and them fix our car.
All right. Oh, Sean, Paulette, next week for the brunch. All right. We can't wait till then. Shauna Smith say, big up my auntie, you're doing a good job. Keep it up. Thank you, my love. And extra love and prayers, and you know why me say that. Erica Beckford, bless up from Jamaica. Listen, we want one in the roping, we want to hear in the comments. Please tell us what you think about this child marriage thing and kids as young as 10 and 11 getting married with their parents'
Oh,
consent.
and someone said define child. I believe this is Rudy Domino Escofri. Don't know where you're from, but he says define child.
Pick me.
Anything under 18.
Mm-hmm. As defined by most civilized countries, including the
Yes.
U.S. and Jamaica, actually under 16 age of consent in Jamaica is 16. So anything under that, you can't consent. So
Right.
you're a child, right? But 18 seems to be the general universal age. Anything under 18, you're a picnic. Glynis, me know say we are Australia. No, Glynis, you don't speak patois. Let me talk to you in English. Hush. And hush. Hush don't mean be quiet. In Jamaican, hush means sorry.
Yes.
All right, it's an apology. So thank you for tuning in from Australia. Clarion listening from Portmore, Jamaica. Big up Portmore. Erica, you know, say backyard farming is the best thing, man. I mean, may I start dig up the non-fruit bearing trees and I plant fruit bearing trees. Yeah, man, me love my fresh stuff. I love know where it come from. Richard, thank you for joining us. Andrea, go on, my girl. Big up yourself. And we need you guys to tell us what you think of this child marriage thing and kids getting married, even with parental consent, under the age of 18. All right? What else we're going to talk about now?
Well, go on in Jamaica with the marriage business.
Okay. And we not make them stuff up, you know. We not make them. Denise, grow me there. All right, thank you, Denise. Welcome, my darling. And you send me one more link and me, I gotta have things. Send me one more bad link and me, I gotta have things, Denise. Now make me come for you. Anyway, in Jamaica, we're talking about Jamaica, West Indies, not Jamaica, Queens. According to UNICEF, okay?
The United Nations Population Fund, too.
Yes, say that again in a year.
The United Nations Population Fund.
Say that.
Child marriage rates in 2017 in Jamaica, 1% of the population was married by 15.
I can't fathom that. I cannot. So who are these parents? Because I would imagine in Jamaica you would need
Their consent.
the parents' consent as well.
And then by married by 18 was 8%.
Jesus, it's.
So people are there marrying off their kids.
My first marriage was 19. I didn't think me big. I know everything about everything. You couldn't tell me nothing because I'm 19. The biggest mistake of my life.
Right.
Because I'm still growing. I'm still learning. So I cannot imagine a 15-year-old as a bride or a groom. Because we don't want to assume that it's only girls that are getting married.
Right. But approximately, 29% of the children in the Caribbean, 29% of the people got married were, what do you call, child brides. So that's a high number.
Really?
Out of marriages, 29%?
So out of every 100 marriage, 29.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, 29. That's high. That's
Jesus
a lot.
Christ.
That's a lot of kids.
Yeah.
That's a lot of kids having kids.
And we wonder why we are in a state of mess. Denise?
Let me go to Jamaica.com.
Yes.
I heal up some people from off of that. So, Veronica Hussey, thank you for joining us from Toronto. Novelette Morris, hey
Welcome
girlfriend. Simone Buchanan, hello from Brooklyn. Dwayne, greetings, my lovely peeps. Sweet Julie Mango and Special K. You know what? I'm going to change my name again. The 2 away. I'm going to get a new name. I'm going to go from Crazy K to Maki, and now I'm going to go to Special K.
I love that.
I'm so special. I love you, Dwayne. Jen Lyle Wilmont, good afternoon from Brampton, Ontario. Rudy Domino is the one that asked define child. Merlene Brown, hi ladies, checking in from Palm Bay, Florida.
Hey.
Jennifer Sewell Waite, hello ladies, Canada in the house. Veronica Rose, Gorzong Rose. Good afternoon, Marilyn in the house. Monique James, that's my cuz. Hello ladies, Monique from New York. All right. And so that's it. So,
all right. Wait. Denise said, you're mad. I know you know. You know me for a long time, Denise. Jessica Danielle says, I love everything you stand for, but I'd be lying if I didn't say I tune in for the beautiful accents. Thank you, what accents? Thank you, my love. And Bogle Deirdre. Big up, Julie. No to child marriage. Portmore straight. All right. Clarion Phil Potts. I'm see you at Jamaica. Where is this happening in rural areas? The statistics it didn't break it down. It just, I guess it looked at Jamaica as a whole, as it did
A total,
other.
as it did with like Trinidad and India and other places.
And Carol Renfirm, me a butcher your name, me, Lord Jesus. So the parents are pimps. My girl, you would know.
No idea
Yes.
what's going on with these kids and their parents.
And Joshua Smashy Bailey said, bless up, ladies. Bless up, bless up, bless up. Erica Beckford said, I don't think 16 should be really age of consent because these children still live under the parents' roof.
They have no idea what they're getting into.
You're still responsible.
Even when you're in your 30s sometimes.
You don't know, that's what I said.
Like, you don't know what a marriage is until you get to know a marriage. It's no different than anything else you experience in life. Even when you go to school and you get your degree for wherever you're going and you do your internship, it's different than when you actually get the job.
Yeah.
So we're sending kids from home, and all we're basically teaching them is how to cook, clean, and keep house. But the emotional, the physical, and all of that stuff going with maintaining a husband, having kids, raising kids, and still trying to keep yourself in that. There's no way it's possible for a 15, 11, 12-year-old child to be able to do them things that because grown women I get in a marriage, and I find out say it hard.
So Erica Beckford says, I don't think 16 should be really, boy, me, I'm a bad at today, me da ball too much of my dog. Age of consent, because these children still live under the parents' roof. You're still responsible for them. So just think about a 10-year-old getting married. If a child get pregnant at age 14 or 15, had to follow them at antenatal clinics, Julie. No to child marriage. No, that we say. Straight, Erica.
And these kids are having babies, and they're so young that it does so much damage to their bodies, and it stunt their growth. And there's, I read this a while ago. I didn't even remember it when I was reading up on this. There's a place in Africa that's kind of like, what do you call it, for people when them run away. Asylum for these young girls because their bodies have been so damaged and they can't hold anything inside from the pregnancies at 14, 13, 15. I can't imagine a parent like signing over them picnic to a life like that. And a majority of these girls, they get abused.
But these parents who do this, you look at them and you have to think that they were abused as well, and they're sort of just repeating a cycle.
Some of them just don't want the responsibility of the child, and also if somebody come along and say, give me a picnic, them say, all right, and sign off and make them gone.
That's really, really, really,
some of them
really
sign
sad.
off their kids for dowry because, they might get, the parents pay for the family paid the dowry for the daughter them. But some of them figure it's cheaper than keeping her long term, especially because she's a daughter and they don't have any use like in India. But like places like in Jamaica and St. Thomas, as soon as the girl them get pregnant, they want them out of the house. Even in a family, them where you grew up, we used to hear all the time, make sure where you look for out there when you get it. Now bring it in you. And I'm like, well, what is she talking about? A breadfruit? I had no clue.
I said the baby get me big.
Because me hungry and a breadfruit, me I walk and I look all day for the people them treat them.
Oh my God.
So where I look for you bring it, don't bring it in here. And I'm like, but aren't you hungry too? Am I not going to feed the family?
Oh my God. But listen, but what's going on in Jamaica today, right? And this we know for a fact. This I know for a fact. As me, I get a call from this lady in Denmark saying, Julie, I have an imminent suicide on my hands in Jamaica and I don't know what to do. So me jump on a plane and me go to Jamaica. And I met the girl. First of all, she was really hesitant to come out and meet me. And I'm saying, why? And she said, every time I leave the house, my mother expects me to come back with money. Right? So I met the girl, and she still had the rope marks around her neck from trying to hang herself, from being pimped. The mother was pimping this child, who was, I think at the time she was 16 and was already on her second child. So yes, this pimping thing, for eat, for taxi fare, for school fee. These mothers are literally pimping their girls.
And you know, so this is not a new thing. What's going on now, it's like, it's with technology and everything like that, we're being more exposed to what really goes on in the areas that we live in. You remember the movie Color Purple?
Yep.
Oh, how old she was in the movie?
Oh, my God.
12 or
Yeah,
13?
yeah.
When Mr. come for her
Yeah.
and take her and look how much picnic.
Mm-hmm.
She inbreed her up and look how him treat her. So it's like, it's generational.
Yeah.
And we're trying to get people to change their mindset and say, just because it happened to your mother and your mother and all that stuff, it no need for continue. Because when I say the devastation, what happened through it to the kids them. So it's like, when I have to be really hard and cold if just want that kind
And
of
pound them
lifestyle
off.
for the kids.
And pound them off. Shav Williams said, big up yourself, Julie. Women of empowerment. That's how we say all day, every day. Then can broke way, we stronger than them. All right. Jessica Daniel says, it boggles my mind that the majority sees Jamaica as this beautiful vacation spot, which it is, and know nothing about the wrongdoings running rampant amongst the place. Do people do no research? No, man, they only have strength for victim shaming and victim bashing. They ain't time them, in time for them. They have work for do. Tasha Chambers, you did write up a tamarack there, so. Not true. You said, no to child marriage. Love what you do, Julie. Bless up my sister, and bless up. And Dwayne said, like me look at Sugar Pop. Well, no, me love bush from with our seafood. Right, Dwayne? Said, let kid learn and grow. I never understood why some grown-ass men are sexually attracted to underage girls. Unbelievable. That it is. Beverly Ford said, hi, everybody. Hey, Beverly. Wagwan. Share, yes, my love. Share, and share. We share goodness around us, so we don't share dirtiness.
So like in Trinidad, it said that between 1996 and 2016, the Register General recorded 3,478 child marriages with marriage certificates showing some girls as young as 11 and 12 married to men 36, 42, and 56 years old.
You know, sometimes you have to keep your mouth shut, because sometimes some things when me want to say, I can't.
Hold it back,
You
Joe.
have to hold it back. I have to pump the brakes. I have
Yes.
to pump the brake right now. Marsha Allen, thank you, my sister. Thank you. You know, we're done. We stand strong and united and can't shake with man. And can't shake with. They can't try, but they can't do it. So in the same vein, we're going to talk about some of these song lyrics,
Yes.
right? Some of these song lyrics.
A lot of them from the 60s, the 70s, and even in the 90s. That was
And-
playing on the air.
And it's not just Jamaican song lyrics.
And somehow I did a dance to them, and I shake gonna booty to them. And I guess all the way do it, and we never really listen.
to
the
words.
message.
Yes. I think for me, one of the most, when I finally sort of paid attention to the lyrics, that was from Barrington Levy. That just gets me every single time me want just run up on a man and say, well, yo, my youth, you can't do them
It's
things
what wrong
there.
with
What wrong
you?
with you? I don't have no shame.
And why would you put that in a song?
Yeah, no, I don't shame. Come and put it in a song about hands off, she's mine. She young, fresh and green. My youth. All right. So
Which
we're,
part is that?
me I go look for. Hold on then. Me just all over the place. The Beatles. Me could go to that one. The Beatles. Wait, say one now. I can't see.
Nah, boy.
Well, I'd rather see you dead, little girl, than to be with another man. You better keep your head, little girl, or I won't. You
can't read my handwriting.
Yes.
My crop tour.
Your crab tour.
All right. This is the Beatles, and he says, well, I'd rather see you dead, little girl, than to be with another man. You better keep your head, little girl, or I won't know where I am. You better run for your life if you can, little girl. If I catch you with another man, that's the end. Ha, little girl.
Yes, little girl, run from the pervert.
Run
For your life. He's
for the
behind you
man
with a
will
knife.
control you. You're a little girl, and he's going to threaten this little girl, and this is a song. Why would that be in a song?
In a very popular song.
Right. On a
Yes.
popular group.
Yes.
So my thing is when I was reading all these lyrics, especially the ones them with a group, that in order for that song to make it to the album, everybody in the group have to be okay
I said, we
with
have a hit on our
singing the
hands.
song,
Yeah.
playing the song, and doing the song live over and over and over.
So listen to the one. And Sting, big up yourself because you just went to Jamaica and do
Me
something
not
nice.
Barrington leave it on this.
Oh, me will find it, man. Sting, who was just in Jamaica and doing some stuff for with Shaggy for the Bustamante Children's Hospital. So he was a teacher for 2 years, and this is a song he wrote about a girl having a crush on the teacher, right? So the song is called "Don't Stand So Close to Me" by The Police, right? Young teacher, the subject of a schoolgirl fantasy. She wants him so badly, knows what she wants to be. Inside her there's longing. The girl's an open page, bookmarking. She's close now. The girl's half his age. Don't stand so close. Don't stand. Please don't stand so close to me. I mean, say please. I mean, I had that. But really, he is, in this instance, he's sort of...
Basically, he's saying that it's the girl
who's coming on to
that's
him.
coming on to him, and he has to tell her, don't stand so close to him.
Well, and let me recognize some folks again. Gene Russell said, this is Gene Russell Nathan. Let me call you three name them, because I three name you put. Said, this is sickening. Joshua Smashy Bailey, my God, this is nuts. 11 years old, shaking my head. Joseph, my brother, thank you. And you know what I mean. This is legalized pedophilia. Any man or woman who's sexually attracted to the children needs to be put to death. It leaves psychological and emotional damage. Furthermore, any parents who chooses their child's predator over that child is just as guilty of that child being damaged as the predator. I couldn't agree with you more. And we do a retreat in Jamaica. It's called Glow Power. And one of the participants went home, told the mother what the mother's boyfriend was doing to her, and the mother put out the picnic. The mother literally kicked her out of the house. And it's not the first, and it certainly won't be the last.
Time.
Will not be the last. Ronald Henry Lucette said, this sounds awful. At least you're bringing it up. Excellent work. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Dwayne said, big up, bless up, chat up, nuff up, tap up, send up the hearts them. Cause everything turn up with me sweet Julie Mango and Special K in the house. This is why we love you, Dwayne. This is why we love you. And Wani Manley said, hi, Julie. Hi, Wani. I don't know if you're back in Paris, but bless up, my darling.
So the rest of the song says,
Her friends are so jealous. You know how bad girls get. Sometimes it's not easy to be the teacher's pet. Temptation, frustration, so bad it makes him cry. Wet bus stop, she's waiting. His car is warm and dry. Don't stand so close to me. Anyway, let loose talk in the classroom. To hurt, they try and try. Strong words in the staff room, the accusations fly. It's no use, he sees her. He starts to shake and cough, just like the old man in that book by Nabokov. And the rest of it is, don't stand, please don't stand so close to me.
It over and over
So,
again.
yeah, I mean, this is what we deal with in lyrics that are ingrained in our kids' heads. And we start dance and gyrate and feel good and not pay attention to the song. Then.
The messages is
Yeah,
going
we
in
don't.
our minds.
We really don't. So we want to hear your thoughts. Oh, here's the Barrington Levy one. We'll go to the Barrington Levy one. All right, one, before you leave, we have to link. Maria Green says, hi, hero. Hi, my Shiro. Hi, my girl. Thank you. So blessed, Ingrid. Hey, Julie, keep your head up. My girl, my head way up. See, Tara, thank you, my love. Thank you. So we're going to go to the Barrington Levy song, right? She's mine. Every day I love her just a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Every day I love her just a little bit more, and she loves me the same. Yes, she loves me the same. Because my love, it's her love, and her love is my love. Yes, she gives me loving at the right time, daytime, nighttime. Yes, she gives me loving at the right time. And then the chorus again. And then we're not going to hear the part I talk about. Every guy finds her on the street, say, hey, she's sweet. Oh, my baby, can I throw some flowers at your feet? She's young, fresh, and green, and I like how she round at the seam. She's young, fresh, and green, and I like how she's round at the seam. Hands off, she's mine. Hands off, she's mine. Mine, oh mine. Hands off, she's mine. Yes, Barrington Levy.
Young, fresh and green, and she's his.
Mm-hmm.
In my Clearmar.
Mm-hmm. Everybody figure find their own. Everybody figure find their own. There's another. Every time she walks the street, I stumble.
Mm-hmm. I stumble at her feet.
At her feet. I say, whoa, baby.
You look so sweet. You look like something I can eat.
Because she's young, fresh, and green. Yes, in other words, you can't control her.
You can't control her.
Because our mind not develop yet. Our body might start developing, but our mind not develop yet. So, all right, which one will I go to now? You want to heal up some people over there?
Yes, let's do this. Heather Blair, good day, ladies. Hi, Heather.
Hi, Heather.
Chester Gale from George. Eureka Hill, hi, cousin. Thanks for watching from Kinston, North Carolina. And Jen Lyle Wilmont. This is so wrong, totally child abuse. I totally agree. Jen Lyle Wilmot says, sis, win, big up. Angela McTavish, prison too good for them. Eyes across Jamaica, she is just 16 years old, leave her alone, they say.
Mm-hmm.
Wesley Smith, what song I turned in late?
Which song we talk about?
The Police.
Mm-hmm.
And
Please don't stand so close to me.
Don't stand so close to me. We got some crazy ones out here. They're coming. You won't believe it, that these things are actually playing on the radio. And some of the people that actually like sing these songs that get like Grammy Awards, glorified people worship them, and you're like, why were they getting these awards when they were singing about young girls like this? But somebody said to me, like, well, wasn't that their age group, their audience, the people that was buying their music? And I'm saying, well, today the people that make music and them now sing them something there, and them still I sell records. Why you have to sing about you're in love with young girls? Because 9 times out of 10, the people that might sing the song, them a big man to the picnic them what am I write the song for. So you have to literally, I'm an artist, I'm a writer, and in order for you to be able to do that, you have to put yourself in that position as the man that want this child, because if you don't do that, then your work is not authentic. So I'm saying, like, think about that for a minute. Don Thompson, remember the one over 15 but under 16?
Yes, Rock
on Come In.
Yes,
Yep.
yes.
Wesley Smith, I agree with you, Jen. Who's Jen Wilmot in my top vote. All right, so this one line, you want me to take it? So
yes,
you know?
yes.
All
I'm
right.
going to strain my eye them. It's
So-
a long time I watch people picnic them.
Yes.
And mini them dirty eyes after them all nastiness. I can't agree with you more.
So this is long because he had a lot to say. And this is an interesting one because this is the group, the Tiger Lilies. And the song is called Pedophile. And he's writing this song, putting himself in the shoes of the pedophile and expecting us to basically, I guess, have sympathy for the pedophile. So I'm like I said, this guy actually went for it because it might basically take a chance with him career when him come out with a song like this. So anyway, it goes something like this. I'm afflicted, you don't care. As at me you scream, and sympathy, compassion, they're just a dream. I might ruin their lives, but here I am in hell. My sicknesses leads here to this prison cell. The heat between my legs that burns so red and hot leaves me now in this cell to mutilated rot. My desire is a poison, destroy all that it gasps. Satan, I'm his victim. He tortures me and laughs. I love the little girl. What am I to do? When my desire, it rises up and just need to skip that word. So the bigots full of hate, retribution at me spit. Kill the bastard, they scream. Kill the perverted git. I didn't choose these foul desires, poisonous and sick. But when they rise up, then I just can't fight it. When the mob they rise, a pediatrician kill. Compassion or sympathy? Oh, my guts they'll spill. So how does this fit in, Creator divine? You afflict me with this curse. I will bide my time. I love the little girl. What am I to do? I don't want to do it, ruin and corrupt, but the sickness in me, it just comes up. Foulest pervert, disgusting word that fits. Nothing could be lower than a rancid fill in the blank. He also said something about, I hope your angel bodyguards are up to the job. You know, God Almighty, you just make me sick. All your fascist flowers so moronic and thick. I love the little girl. What am I to do?
Kill yourself.
So we're supposed to hear this song and do what for the pedophile?
Yeah. Yes, Denise, that is a song.
It is a song.
That's a song. We're
It
just
is
reading the lyrics.
You can go get the lyrics. The group is called the Tiger Lilies, and the song is inappropriately titled or appropriately titled "Pedophile."
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Let that digest for a minute. Just let that digest. These are some other lyrics. Yeah, I'm gonna make you do the reading, you know.
Okay.
Guys.
All right. You did the Barrington Levy one. All right, so we're done with this. What's the next one you want to
What's
do?
this? Oh, yes.
The Oinga Boinga guy.
Yes.
All
This
right.
one.
I'm going to give you guys a second before I do this to see how ridiculous this was. It's Oingo Boingo, Oingo Boingo. And it's titled, I Love Little Girls. So I'm going to wait and do this one next so you guys could actually go and get a chance to look at the video. Just the video alone is like nauseous that they put money into this. And then the lyrics to the song, when I was just watching it going, are you kidding me?
I'm not watching it. I refuse to watch it.
So we're going to see if that one. But this guy, Gary Puckett, this is a popular
Sing
band
the
from what
song.
I understand.
So they can't get this. They can't know what song.
Young girl, get out of my life. Love for you is way out of line. Better run, girl. You're much too young, girl.
See there?
So I'm pretty sure that song sounds familiar to a lot of you out here. So this guy actually had a charge against him. And not only did he have a charge, I think he also was trying to get some parents to become guardianship over one of their daughters so he could be able to just have a relationship with her without the parents' interference. I'm 100% sure on that. I think he was even trying to run for congressman or senator or something like that back in the day. So lyric says, young girl, get out of my life. Love for you is way out of line. Better run, girl. You're much too young, girl. With all the charms of a woman, you've kept the secret of your youth. You led me to believe you're old enough to give me love. And now it hurts to know the truth. Young girl, get out of my mind. My love for you is way out of line. Beneath your perfume and your makeup, you're just a baby in disguise. And though you know that it's wrong to be alone with me, that come on look in your eyes. Young girl, get out of my mind. My love for you is way out of line. You're much too young, girl, so hurry home to your mama. I'm sure she wonders where you are. Get out of here before I have the time to change my mind. 'Cause I'm afraid we'll go too far, young girl. Get out my mind. My love for you is way out of line.
Yeah, let that sink in.
So not only was he writing about it, he was actually living it in his personal life. So much as a lot of these guys that were, they call them what, groupies,
Remember Jerry Lee Lewis marrying him underage cousin?
right? Elvis Presley, when he first was in with Priscilla, she was what, 15?
I don't remember.
She was 15 when they went on their first date. Parents approved it.
Oh, God. Yeah.
So
But he
let's
was
go
asleep.
do some of these, and then we'll come back and do Oingo Boingo.
Oingo Boingo. Even the name sounds ridiculous. Eileen, bless up my sister, and she said he needs serious psychotherapy. I couldn't agree with you. Joshua, I don't know what you're trying to say. No Rasta, yes, we reach. Liar. Come straight, come straight. And Eileen says, I meant, hi, Julie. Hi. Sister, you know, so you know for talk patois. You're not Jamaican.
For some reason, when I get a call, my patois just
God.
fade.
Oh, let me tell me, say, no talk patois can't have accent. My patois have accent. I don't know how my seafood center must me come from. I don't know how my patois have accent.
It have accent. How that happen when we leave Jamaica too long and we go all over the place.
All right, me soon come here, I'm sweet Jamaica. Can't make this happen.
Yeah, every time you go down there, you get a refresher course.
Yeah, me have to come back on immer.
That's why I love my people, them Cassie Billy, them out of from Clarendon, Live Lucy. When we get on the phone with them, it's like,
Straight patois.
it's a PhD back.
All right, I'm going to take a refreshers course.
Yeah, man, you have to talk to the country people, them keep you up to date.
Them in a country, man.
But you know, they don't know.
When
You
we
go
go
there
there
when you,
after
yeah,
now.
you go there. But when you leave after a while, it start fade because you're around the Americans, them.
All right, apparently I need to brush up on my patois. so go on.
Our French accent. All right. So Oingo Boingo.
No, you don't have the people that move over there, sir.
Let's see
Okay.
what's going on here. It looked like it's stuck.
Okay.
I have to wait for it to roll up. Yep. So Oingo Boingo. Hopefully you guys get a chance and go check this out because I'm coming with the lyrics now. I love little girls. They make me feel so good. I love little girls. They make me feel so bad. When they're around, they make me feel. They make me feel so good. They don't care if I'm a one-way warrior, one-way mirror. They're not frightened by my cold exterior. They don't ask me questions. They don't want to scold me. They don't look for answers. They just want to hold me. Isn't this fun? Isn't this what life's all about? Isn't this a dream come true? Isn't this a nightmare too? They don't care about my inclinations. They're not frightened by my revelations. Oh, take a second. Take a second. It's a mistake. It's a mistake. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. The little girl was too little. Too little. Too little, too little, too little. Seriously. And then he repeats the chorus.
Yeah.
This is an actual song. This is a record that got played on the radio. This like floors me. So where was who is it? The FCC? Who was in charge of?
He didn't curse.
That is true.
He did not curse.
So that's why they were able to slip through all of this?
Free speech.
Wow.
Free speech.
It's crazy.
Free speech. Isaiah, big up my friend. Bless up every time. He says, I hate the infant killers. I don't know what the sick men going after when they're going after little children claims they have a lover for the babies. I wonder if they would really want their own children to go through that. Them again, some of them touch their own children. And I was even before me done read your comment, that's exactly what I was thinking. Dwayne said, fire! Fire, fire, burn for the perverts, and more fire. Joshua, you going to teach me patois? All right. And Joshua said, these are the songs people listening to. Father God, may I tell you, and I remember, I used to like that song by Barrington Levy.
Yes,
you know?
I think everybody
I think
listens to
everybody
that song.
loved that
The hook
song.
is off the chain. The voice is smooth and everything, but today, if he came out with that song today, he would not have a career. He wouldn't. All of these guys, if they were playing these songs today, people would be like, what's wrong with them? They would run.
Them sick enough of them head.
And they wouldn't even have the a one-hit anything.
Wonder.
What is one? So there are a few songs out there, actually, where people I guess
Denounce.
based on what was going on around them, they were denouncing this and saying, putting it in songs like it's inappropriate. So Toots and the Maytals have a song called Premature. And it says, let the girl go home, let her go right home. She's underage. She not fit for the preacher. Let the girl go home, let her go right home. She's not fit for the preacher. Only adults can go to see the sweet carnal show. Lord, she's the one little girl her mother ever had, and I'm the one little son my father ever had. Let the girl go home. She's not fit for the preacher. She's only 14 going to 15. Lord, she's the only little girl. As telling to the prophecy, Brother Moses, tell it to me.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Toots.
For the preacher.
Thank you, Toots.
Thank you.
Call
At least
them
we
out.
can say there's some people were out there trying to do something and send a message out there to these men and preachers who had their eyes on your daughter and then still have them eyes on your daughter.
Yeah, but because I'm a preacher and them have title on the things that them safe. Arlene, so me just come back from shop. You carry nothing for me, Arlene? What did I miss? Lord Jesus, you miss whole heap of something, man. Whole heap of something. We're talking about the kids them will get married even with them parents' consent, even in Jamaica.
Right.
Even in Jamaica. So it's not just an American thing. Even in Jamaica. You miss whole heap, so you have to go watch a show.
You have
on
to
the
go
top.
rewind. No, come back again.
Me didn't tell us if it got market yesterday. So, Hardy is pitting like Karen.
She buy a fat pig, man. It take her a while for carry to home. It a squeal all the way.
You follow Karen and take stick broke your ears. Me tell you if it, Ali, me tell you if it got market yesterday. Do not do it past Saturday morning. No, Saturday afternoon, 1 o'clock. All right. Joshua Bailey said, "Are them out the perverts?" Yeah, man, them a big pervert, man, and I want to glorify it too.
They got away with it because they were celebrities and they had money, and they had these little girls on their tour buses and all of that stuff, and they got away with it.
But even listen, go back to the police song, "Police Are Sting," the one about
Police. Don't stand so close to
no
me.
man, the stalking one.
Every breath you take, every move you make, I'll be watching you.
I don't want you stalking me. Leave me alone.
Girl, can't you see you belong to me?
No, I don't.
How my poor heart aches with every breath you take. All right, but don't mash them up now.
All right. Novelette Morris said, on the road, lots of snow, listening in the meantime. Very interesting topic. Novelette, drive safe, yeah. Me no want nothing do you, me put us. Not a thing, me no want to hear by your head, hat you.
Wait, you know somebody named David Shaw?
Who named David Shaw?
Somebody said bandwagonism.
Mm-hmm.
No, sound like a personal thing. Moving, Wesley Smith, Eyes of Jamaica. You know that?
Yeah.
She said that song, it ran across my mind while listening to these ladies talk.
Mm-hmm. Which song?
She said, Eyes of Jamaica.
No, me have to go look by that one
I
there.
have to pull up the lyrics by that
Yes.
one there. Abdullah Green, what's up, Karen? What's up, Abdullah? My name is TR from Brooklyn. I used to run with Pi back in the days. Love up, sister. All right, Pi still there, Jamaica. Miguel? Abdullah said, what's up? Abdullah Green, truck. What's up, Steve Tone from Howard County, Maryland? That's my homeboy.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, homeboy.
One.
Denise Everclean makes a really good point, and she says, don't forget the boys as well. And yes, our boys are
true.
being abused as well.
Because even in the stats right here, a young boy was one of the boys that were actually married.
Yes, yes. And Ingrid Nugent, Medea Julie, bless up from Canada, my darling. Bless up, Ingrid. You know, so I love you like flour dumpling and hot butter. Just make it melt. So I love you bad. Margaret Savage. Big up my cousin Julie Mango. I am with you. I love you, my cousin. I love you. Thank you. So which one you want to go to now? 'Cause we soon run out of time, you know. Look how the time gone fast.
Let's see. I'm just gonna run through some of them. These are your one, them. You
Lord
can't go
Jesus.
through that. You can't see.
We
Then
can't
you
see
want me to
handwriting. Possum Kingdom. This is another song lyric. Possum Kingdom. Decide to walk with me around the lake tonight, by my side, by my side. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to be a gentleman tonight. Behind the boathouse, I'll show you my dark secret.
Nice.
Yes, Dr. Janko.
Here one, Chuck Berry. Sweet little 16. She's got grown-up blues, tight dresses and lipstick. She's sporting high-heel shoes. Oh, but tomorrow morning, she'll have to change her trend and be sweet 16 again. What do I mean by that?
I want to say men, all men?
All men, that's, yeah.
Yes, a
that's
group.
the group.
Yeah, be my wench. No, thank you.
Nice.
Part of the song says, she's too young to be so bold. I want to make her scream. You have the body and face of a child. You've never felt such things. Yeah.
This guy right here that we all love.
Oh, yes.
Eric Clapton and his song titled Jailbait. You see her walking down the road. Man, that little girl is fine. All mine. Look at that jailbait. Ain't that jailbait? Come on, jailbait. She's just jailbait. And do her mom and daddy know she gets all the boys so wound? She can't be more than 16. Man, that little girl is sound. Hey, little girl, where you going tonight?
Far away from you.
An award, Grammy winner?
Yes. Esteemed. Esteemed.
I bet you don't want to talk about that song no more. Not since Me Too. And Time's Up.
Tasha says, what am I there? Lord Jesus. Oh, Tasha said, these sick souls want to normalize pedophilia. Any act or fantasy that an adult has with a child is sinful. You have to understand that the music industry, Hollywood, political figures are pedophiles. Many of them are sick souls, and the ones that don't know about it and say nothing. We need to make the law stricter, such life or death sentences. Yes, I'm local, live in North Lauderdale, but I love Palm Beach. Normally roam that area. You don't roam, you traverse. All right. And Tracy Ati, your Uncle Mike and Melissa listening, big up. I feel your Uncle Mike and Melissa?
Yes.
All right, big
Tracy,
up.
Otti, Melissa, Uncle Michael.
Yes. Wait there. Joshua Smashy Bailey said, I had flour dumpling with hot butter. It's sweet enough, not true. Our white, rent I am, you don't know about this. Rent I am and fry up tomato.
No.
Jesus, nothing sweet. Sweet is it. Make you lick your finger and something.
I swear to God, every day I sit down with you, I feel like I'm not really Jamaican because my last.
You don't know them life, the man?
No. I know dumpling and I know butter, but we never mix dumpling with butter together.
Yeah, what?
Butter and bread.
From Ben Johnson Day when not there?
No, butter and bread, crackers and butter.
You know Ben Johnson Day?
Crackers and condensed milk.
You know nothing about Ben Johnson Day?
No.
You don't know it? Lord Jesus, I want to tell her what name Ben Johnson
All
Day.
right, somebody rope in and educate me.
Yeah, Ben Johnson Day when the cupboard then dry and nothing of them and I have to just get what you have.
No.
You ever eat baked dumpling? Baked dumpling cannot I know the deaf fry it.
No.
Lord Jesus, part of your life gone.
No. Sounds like I save myself having a big belly.
Get way I say I have big belly.
No, but I say, I hold up a big belly, I walk away when you eat nothing but flour. You're bloated.
No, man.
Do you know some people in Jamaica suffer from gluten problems, what them never know?
But they don't have nothing to eat.
Yeah, but me say, but we never have no diagnosis for them. Something, so you walk around and you scratch yourself. And you talk about dry skin.
No, you know about food thing.
Exactly. So you just think, you must lay down in something. No, the flour in your belly and make you scratch.
Yes. Ingrid said, you remember condensed milk pan bread? Oh, you mean?
Yes, condensed milk pan bread, the condensed milk with the oats. You just mix it up in the oats and eat it. Mm-hmm. You make it think so much people in Jamaica have rotten teeth.
We are trouble people in teeth. When you're poor,
when me got the dentist the first time in my life when I'm 9, and I think I have 5 cavities in my mouth.
You didn't have 5 teeth? You lucky son.
Oh, why you think me attracted to Smokey? Him have 1 teeth.
Oh my God.
That's a legacy. My 5 and film 1.
Oh my God, who's about fry up tomato? See there, fry up tomato and onion with buff black pepper. Oh, you mean with enough black pepper and boiled dumpling? Nothing say like the little finger.
No, me never, me not.
No
Me know
cook it for you.
me have a bully beef in the can. Me love my mackerel and my sardine.
See what your mother said, Ben Johnson Day is Thursday.
But me don't know about that. All me know when we did brock is I went Aki. Me see Aki on the plate. Anytime I see Aki on the plate, me used to screw up my face. And that's all the one we have. Aki again. Never want
You
it.
didn't have the saltfish?
But no, I can't saltfish. But I'm just when you see that, and you know, see chicken back.
Listen.
Chicken back take precedence over Aki and saltfish. Chicken back take precedence over kalalo.
If you didn't have saltfish in your aki, you never broke.
Well, sometimes we never have it. But me I just say saltfish and chicken foot soup. Anytime you see soup and aki, you know, Lord, no money now come from foreign.
The run girl post office and
But
you forget a register letter.
But anytime you see oxtail, you know, say, money come, envelope come.
Dwayne said dirty rice. Dwayne, yo. May I tell you, when they put everything in our one pot. You know about seasoned rice?
Yes, me know
All
about
right.
seasoned rice.
Wait there. Jesus, Lord.
They lose the man.
No man. And Joshua said, you ladies are a riot. We have to reminisce sometime, you know, because life's serious, you know. So we have to laugh up the things, and we talk about some heavy subjects today and stuff like that. So we have to end on a nice, positive note. This is what we always do. Joshua? Joshua say, Thursday, a Ben Johnson Day. See, only you want me. I'm going to take your Jamaica card.
All right.
You want to know about Ben? All right, so
Me no know.
Saturday was
Me know about all Mother Albert had a cupboard, but me don't know about Ben Johnson there.
Saturday was soup day. Sunday was rice and peas and best dressed chicken, right? With a little bit of salad and carrot juice or soursop. Monday, what did Monday? I don't remember, but Wednesday when things start getting, and then by Thursday, you don't have nothing.
Sound like it poverty rich. When you can't have days of the week. Because that's like I go to Jamaica restaurant and them have soup Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, them have a different soup and all that. And the meat and all them something there. Whenever I roll like that.
You never fry up the chicken back and then have to use the oil cook something else.
No, I don't know if my mother ever do that. I don't know if Suka never do that yet.
Yeah,
but
see,
no,
all right,
if she
Khadija.
fry chicken back where I eat it.
No, but you take the aisle and save the aisle so you can cook something else.
Oh, I'm sure that, yeah, them save aisle. Remember
Yes.
them save the aisle?
No, but when you don't have no aisle, you start with you make the pot well hot.
Yeah,
And you put the
and you
chicken
save
back
the
in there.
aisle.
And then you see
You save the aisle. You have to save the aisle. I remember when I go and them say, carry the buckle and tell them you want a pint. And you go there and say, can I get a pint of aisle? And 3 days
You
later,
cannot
go back for
afford
another
pint. A big Jill we get. You don't know about big Jill.
No.
A half Jill.
No.
A half a stick of butter.
No, I don't remember I've got
And
half
2
a
ounces
stick of
of
butter.
saltfish.
Remember 1 stick of butter, but not half a stick of butter.
You,
Hold on, let me hear up. Somebody says, Jennifer Hibbert. Jennifer, where are you from? Just listening to you for the first time. Love your topic. Wesley Smith. No, you ladies not understanding Isa Jamaica. Is someone on this thread made a comment about a song I agree with. The song that goes, she's just 16 old, leave her alone, they say, but I want to know if I could fly, etc., etc. Thank you, Wesley Smith, for clearing that up for us.
yes.
Because would I look for the song named Isa Jamaica?
Would I look till Master God come?
Wesley come back and say, Rick James did a song called 17. She was only 17, but she was young and free and oh, so tender, etc. Yes. Remember, Rick James.
Wait, Khadija said you lucky you didn't get oxtail. Me never get that till me reach foreign. Oh Jesus, Denise the ton Camille. Lord, Papa, Lord.
Me used to get that to my dog.
Wait. I'm gonna tell you a true story.
I said the dog then now.
No,
Because I can't get it out of them teeth.
this is a true story. we eat the tonka meal, because my mother put raisin and all kind of something right in the cars, right? And
Let me tell you, you're poverty rich. You have raisin? What do you mean you have raisin?
you remember raisin in little bread box there, man?
Yeah, man, but them that come from foreign.
Yeah, so we used to get some little
Packets.
Yeah, some barrel, when barrel come, Lord Jesus. So anyway, so we don't eat food with tonka meal, and my father go feed the dog, and the dog walk away. And my father said, "Tonight, me see a man just done there."
Oh my God.
True story. And wait now, Joshua, we have to go now in a time up.
Time up.
But
Oh, 201. Dang.
Joshua said, quarter bread. Me I tell you the struggle real, man. And Karen, Karen, you don't know nothing. Karen, you don't
said
know a
that?
hard life.
Who's my talking?
Who remember pot soup? Who remember pot soup? You know when you pot soup? Pot water?
No.
You never drink pot water?
No, what you mean when you boil something like
When
the
you dr- and then-
callaloo and you drink the juice off of it?
No, man. When you boil the food, the yam, the banana, the dumpling, and everything.
A pot liquor.
You Kingstonian. It name pot soup.
Pot liquor.
It name pot water.
All right, all of the people in real quick because that's time.
Jesus, the time come up fast. Big Jill. See that Joshua? You said you see me talk about Big Jill. Him know.
All right.
All right.
So I need a refresher course. Never come and live at St. Thomas for 30 days.
Yo, me I tell you.
15 alive, 15 dead. But me gonna stay there until
I
them
won't
come,
wait.
them ship me back.
When you go to river, go catch janga and wild callaloo. When we my wild callaloo, Kenyan callaloo. Where you
I
catch
know
a
that.
river bread?
I know
Where
that.
you cut a river bed? You never got a river.
Me nah have River Franklin
Let me
Town.
tell you a part of your life, God. I think I do what may I make. Wait there, do it quickly. Say, Ben Johnson was famous villager from the Ivory Coast who saved his sister from the slave traders. It was on Thursday. It was on a Thursday, and everyone in the village celebrated by putting what they had together and made a feast. They brought that tradition to the island. True, Dwayne? Thank you for the knowledge dropping. And now we have to, unfortunately, my dears, it's
God,
that
that went by
time.
so fast. We have all these lyrics.
Keep the conversation going long after we are off the
Yes.
air. We do
we'll
respond.
We'll be responding to you guys, but it's time, and we just want to say thank you guys for checking in once again. Hit us up on our Facebook page, facebook.com/Jam and Tell, all lowercase. And what else you want people them to know, Julie?
Very quickly, to anyone who suffered abuse, right, and need to talk about it, or no talk, or no truth, do not care what the dirty junk victim bashers want to say about you. It is your truth, and we believe you. All right?
Every time.
Stand strong, because you have Bakative. We believe you. Thank you guys for tuning in. This was. We started out with some heavy stuff, and then,
Right.
we have to lighten it up a little bit because we don't have good sense.
So walk good,
Talk good. And
live good.
live good. And
We don't want another.
yes.
Peace.
Peace out.
One love.